Okay, this is how to edit your video inside your YouTube channel. Just make sure you are in your channel. Okay, go to the content, select the video to edit, click on the pencil icon, click on editor option, click here. Now click on trim and cut. You can do add audio, add blur, end screen, but I want to cut some videos as part of the editing. Click on it, and I want to remove this end video. I move it here. So I've removed this, I've edited this out. Click on save. Once you edit and applied, once your edit applied, they will be permanent and can't be undone. So you take note of that and you acknowledge that these changes are permanent. And click confirm. It's edited. The editing in progress. After some time, it will take effect. And this area will not be shown.